Very good morning, student. Welcome to fifth part of multiple choice questions of Econ 353, that is agriculture marketing, trade and prices. In earlier four parts, we have seen the 60 multiple choice questions. Remaining multiple choice question we will see in this part. So question number 61, one of the following is not marketing channel for fruits and vegetables. As we know, marketing channels are the routes or ways through which agriculture produce moves from producer to ultimate consumer. So option A, consumer to producer. Option B, producer to wholesaler to retailer to consumer. Option C, producer to retailer to consumer. And option D, producer to wholesaler to processor and to ultimate consumer. So read the question very carefully. One of the following is not marketing channel. So here correct answer is consumer to producer is not marketing channel for fruits and vegetables. Okay, then question number 62, dash dash are the actual expenses required in bringing goods and services from producer to consumer. So options are market margin, marketing cost, marketing channels and price spread. So always keep in mind, marketing cost are the actual expenses required to bring goods from producer to consumer. So marketing cost are the actual expenses. Then next, dash dash is not considered as marketing cost. As we know, there are the different marketing cost, or marketing cost includes the assembling charges, transport cost, storage cost, packaging cost. Okay, then octroi, commission charges, loading, unloading, labor charges are there. These are the marketing cost. So correct answer is cost of production or cost of cultivation is not considered as the marketing cost. Okay, then question number 65, dash dash is the difference between price paid and price received by the specific marketing agency. So it is the difference between price paid and price received by particular marketing agencies. So marketing agencies may be wholesaler, retailer, then a processor are there, okay, or these are the middlemen. So options are market margin, marketing cost, marketing channel, price spread. So here correct answer is market margin is the difference between price paid and price received by that particular or specific marketing agency. Okay, it is the profit of that particular marketing agency. Then I think this question is repeated here. Transportation cost accounts for about 50% of total marketing cost. Okay, then next, okay, this same question is repeated also here. Dash dash method of selling is generally used in regulated market. Correct answer is open auction. Next is dash dash is the difference between price paid by consumer, okay, and price received by the producer or farmer. Options are market margin, marketing cost, marketing channel and price spread. So correct answer is price spread is the difference between price paid by consumer and price received by the farmer. As we know, what is market margin? So market margin is the difference between price paid and received by the specific marketing agency. Okay, these are the actual amount received by the marketing middlemen in the marketing process, that is market margin. Then next, correct formula for calculating producer share in consumers rupee is, so option A PS, that is producer shares in consumer rupee, is equal to PF divided by PR into 100, then PS is equal to PR divided by PF into 100, both of these and none of these. So correct formula for calculating producer shares in consumer rupee is PS is equal to PF divided by PR into 100. So what is PF? PF is price received by the farmer and PR is price paid by the consumer into 100, or price received by the retailer into 100. This is the correct formula for calculating the producer shares in consumer rupee. I think PF is not typed here. So keep in mind, formula for calculating producer shares in consumer rupee is PS is equal to PF divided by PR into 100. Next, profit divided by margin of trader, profit or margin of trader is equal to receipts in bracket sale value minus purchase value plus cost incurred. Is this sentence correct or incorrect? So this sentence is correct if you have to calculate market margin of particular middleman, that is suppose CM1 of that for or the trader. Firstly we have to calculate the receipt, means sale value, okay, to how much he has sold his produce, minus his purchase value plus the cost incurred by that particular middleman. Okay, so this sentence is correct. Now next question is, long form of NAFED is National Agricultural Cooperative Marketing Federation of India, then National Agriculture Cooperative Marketing Federation of India, National Agriculture Cooperate Marketing Federation of India, National Agriculture Cooperate Marketing Federation of India. So here keep in mind, long form of NAFED is National Agriculture Cooperative Marketing Federation of India. Now next is dash dash is an apex organization of the cooperative marketing structure in India. I think we have discussed in earlier video also. Options are APEDA, NIAM, NAFED and NABARD. So correct answer is NAFED. Okay, that is National Agriculture Cooperative Marketing Federation of India is an apex organization of cooperative marketing structure in India. So next question, NAFED was established in the year dash dash. So correct answer, NAFED was established in the 1958. NAFED was established in the 1958. The next question, the head office of NAFED is located at. So options are New Delhi, Mumbai, Nagpur, Kolkata. So correct answer is the head office of NAFED is located at the New Delhi. So keep in mind, NAFED, National Agriculture Cooperative Marketing Federation of India. So it is an apex organization of cooperative marketing structure in India. It was established in 1958 and head office of NAFED is located at New Delhi. Okay. Now long form of SWC. Long form of SWC. So what is CWC? CWC is Central Warehousing Corporation. So similarly, SWC is State Warehousing Corporation. Okay. Now question number 75. Commercial banks advance up to dash dash percent of value of the produce stored in the warehouse on warehouse receipt as a collateral security. So warehouse receipt means warrant. So how much percentage of value of that produce is advanced by the commercial banks? Okay, so options are 50, 60, 75, 25. So correct answer is up to the 75% value of the produce stored in the warehouse on warehouse receipt, the commercial bank advance the loan. So keep in mind up to the 75%. Thank you.